Hello everyone. Today I am going to continue lesson number 2. The name of the lesson is counting in groups. Now children, question 1 is write the missing numbers. Okay. What do you mean by missing? Missing का मतलब क्या होता है? Missing means the thing which is not given. जो वहाँ पे नहीं होता उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Missing. जो खो गया है या जो नंबर नहीं है. Let us see now. 1. Now first number is given here 51 and last number is given here 56. To write the missing number here. Here you can see the numbers written there. No. Numbers are missing here. So write the missing number here. Let us see. 51. After 51 which number will come? Come on say. Yes. 52. After 52 which number will come? Yes. 53. After 53, which number will come? Which number is missing here? Which number will come? Yes, 54. 5, 4, 54. Next, which number will come here? Come on, say yes. Very good. 55. And last number is 56. So our answer is right. We got the correct number. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55 and 56. Let us go to the next question. First number is given here is 66 and last number is 71. Now here again you have to write the missing number. जो number नहीं लिखे हैं वो हमको लिखने का. चलो देखते क्या करेंगे हम. Yes. Now first number is 66. After 66 which number will come? Yes, 67. After 67 which number will come? Come on say fast. Yes. 68. Very good. After 68, which number will come? 66, 67, 68, 69. Good. 6, 9, 69. After 69, which number will come? 70, 70. And last number is 71. So it's right. Let us count again. 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 71. It's correct. Let's go to the next question. Number 3 is 85, 85. After 85, which number will come? Yes, come on, say. Good. 86. So write here 86. Correct. 85, 86. 86, then which number will come? Come on, say. Very good. 87. 85, 86, 87. After 87, which will come? Come on, say. Yes. 88. After 88, which will come? 87, 88, 89, 89. Good. And last number is 90, 90. Again count. 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Correct. Our answer is right. Good. Got it? Missing number? Both easy. You can do very fast. And numbers you know very well from 1 to 100. Now I'll go to next question. Next question is ordinal numbers. We पूछे टीचर ordinal numbers क्या होता है? इसने पढ़ा ही नहीं हमने कभी. Okay, let me explain you. Ordinal numbers are the numbers which show the position. क्या ordinal number क्या show करता है? Position show करता है. आपका rank show करता है. Okay, I'll give one example. In the classroom, you are sitting on the bench, right? Yes. Though then some children are sitting on the first bench, some children are sitting on second bench, some children are sitting on third bench, some children are sitting on 10th bench. आप सब एक साथ first bench बैठ सकते हो? नहीं. सेकेंड में बैठ सकते हैं? नो. यू आर सिटिंग इन ऑर्डर. आप एक के बाद क्लास में बैठते हो. सो दिस फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ, सेवेंथ, एट्थ, नाइन्थ and 10th are called the ordinal number. It shows your position where you are. Okay, now let me give one more example. अभी आप एग्जाम देते हो ना? Yes, सब एग्जाम देते हो. Working very hard for the exam. Oh, first rank लाना है. मुझे first rank लाना है. Then you write in the paper, then teacher will check the paper and teacher will prepare the result. And those who are working very hard, those who were sincere for the whole year, they will get the good rank. Suppose 3 children are there. Riyan, Sia and Jia. Now these 3 children, they work very hard. बहुत मेहनत की और उनको पेपर भी बहुत अच्छा लिखा. They wrote nice in the paper, 100% right. So now Riyan got 100 out of 100. Jia got 95 and Sia got 94. Now रियान गॉट द मैक्सिमम मार्क्स. सबसे ज़्यादा किसका मार्क्स मिला है? रियान को. उसके बाद में 95 जिया एंड 94 सिया. ओके, अगेन सो रियान गॉट आउट 100 out of 100, जिया गॉट 95 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 100 एंड सिया गॉट 94 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 100. अब टीचर ऐसा बोलेगी कि रिया को 1 रैंक मिला है, सिया को 2 रैंक मिला है, जिया को 3rd रैंक मिला है. नहीं, टीचर ऐसा नहीं बोलेगी. और टीचर विल से रियान got 1st rank, Jia got 2nd rank and Sia got 3rd rank. Riyan got FIRST 1st rank, Jia got 2nd rank and Sia got 3rd rank. So what does this show? 1st, 2nd, 3rd. This show the rank of the child, or you can say position of the child. Okay. So these are the ordinal numbers which show the rank or position. Let us repeat with me. FIRST first, SECOND second, THIRD third, FOURTH fourth, FIFTH fifth, SIXTH sixth, SEVENTH seventh, EIGHTH eighth, NINTH ninth. Now be careful when you are writing ninth. E will not come here. Okay? Other all 7 words, generally we have added TH, TH, TH. But ninth, E will not come. What you will write? NINTH. E को लिखने का नहीं, E को भगा देने का. And last is TENTH, tenth. So these all are the ordinal numbers showing the position or rank. Now children, you can see some objects are kept here. Okay? Right? Toys are there. Which is your favorite? Yes, girl, Barbie doll. Badi girl, chukring Barbie, boh game mane game che. Okay? Then favorite fruits are there. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. Apple खाने से क्या आती है? बहुत ताकत डॉक्टर पर जाना पड़ता नहीं है. And your mother makes the lemon juice. Right? Gun. Yeah, बच्चों को gun, boys को gun की बहुत ही मजा पड़ती है, especially on Diwali time. Okay. Now see children. Now we'll see which order they are kept. Now, how many objects are kept here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now tell me. Now, which object is on 3rd place? 3rd place पे कौन सा object है? Grapes? नहीं. Kiwi? नहीं. Yes, orange is at which place? 3rd place. Now tell me. Tell me the order of the guava. Which place it is? Which position it is? 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Guava is at 6th place. Okay. Now tell me, which object is at 5th place? 5th place पे कौन सा object है? Yes, Barbie doll. 5th place. मजा पड़ी गई. Okay. Now, which object is the 1st place or 1st position? Kiwi. Right? Now, which object is in 2nd position? Yes, 2nd position is the grape. Then, which object is in 8th position? 4, 7, 8. Yes, your favorite ice cream cone. Summer season special like to eat the ice cream cone. Now, tell me, which object is on the 10th position or 10th place? Yes, lemon. Now, Now tell me, which object is on the ninth position, ninth place? Yes, boy's favorite is gun. Now, which object, red color, which we have not counted till now? Tell me, which position it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, strawberry is at the which place? 7th place, right? So like this we can find out the position of the object using the ordinal number. Okay, now tell me, one is left. Teacher, एक तो बच गया, कौन सा बच गया? Yes, second one. Which object is second place? Yes, it is grapes. Now children, let us do exercise 6. Now come on. Read the letters of the given word from left to right and fill in the blanks. Left to right means from left hand to right hand side, right? Now you have to read the word given and answer the following blanks. Now word given is here B-L-A-C-K, black, B-O-A-R-D, board, blackboard. This word is very familiar to you. You see daily, you see blackboard daily in the class also. Okay. Now first one, the letter in the second place is. Now this is first place, this is second place, right? Now which letter is the second place? Second place, which letter is there? Yes, second place B, then L. So write here L, right? Now next is the letter K is in dash place. Where is K? Yes, K is here. Now K is at which place? First, second, third, fourth and fifth. So letter K is which place? Fifth place. So write here F-I-F-T-H, fifth. Next question is the letter in seventh place is dash. Now seventh place. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. Which letter is in seventh place? Tell me, come on now fast. Yes, O, good. O is on the seventh place. Now next is the letter R is in dash place. Where is R? Yes, R is here. Now R is at which place? Letter R. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth and ninth. Ninth place. What is spelling of ninth? Come on, tell me. N-I-N-E-T-H? No, it is N-I-N-T-H. Now the letter B is in dash place and dash place. Oh, now two blanks are there. दो blank क्या करेंगे? Now let us see, B is coming two times or not? The letter B is, yes, it is first place. B-L-A-C-K, first place. So first we'll write here F-I-R-S-T, first. Then next which place it is coming? First, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So sixth place, first place and sixth place. So letter B is in first place, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Sixth place. So write this, you can write the ordinal numbers to show the position of any object, anything or any person also. Now children, let us start with exercise 7A. Okay? Now see, 7A is count and write one more than. The count for the images on the left. First, left side what you can see, pictures are given here, right? And you have to count how many? You have to count one more than. जितनी पिक्चर दिए हुए उससे हमको इसमें एक प्लस करना है. मोर देन वन मतलब उसमें हमको एक ऐड करना है या प्लस करना है. लेट अस सी. नाउ लेफ्ट साइड images are given there, pictures are given there. Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pictures and images are there? 6 images are there. Now we have to add one more. So 6 plus 1, 7. So you have to write here 7. Now number 2. How many images are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many images are there? 8 images are there, right? Now we have to add one more. उसमें एक plus करना है हमको. So 8 plus 1, 9. So what will come here? 9. Now next you can see joker's cap. How many joker's cap are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 joker's caps are there, right? We have to add one more. एक one उसमें plus करना है. So 1, 2, 3 plus 1 is 4, right? Again a twinkle twinkle little stars are there. Let us see how many images are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 images are there. 12 stars are there. So we have to add one more. उसमें एक plus करने का है. So 12 plus 1 is 1, 3, 13. So in this question, with the images or with the picture, we have add 1. उसमें हमने एक plus किया है, right? Okay, now we'll go to next question. Next question is count and write one less than. अब हमको एक less count करना है. Less मतलब एक कम count करना है. Okay, let us see. One less than the count for the images on the right. Now this side, now second question 7th images are given on the which side? Right hand side. Now you have to count one less. हमने यहाँ one more count किया था, हमको यहाँ एक one less count करना है. Means one जो figure है उसमें से one minus करना है. Okay, let us see. How many figures images are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 images are there. Now we have to count one less. 11 minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 images are coming there. Now we will cut 1. Okay. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have counted one less. So images will be here 10. Now next question. Mangoes, your favorite. Yes. How many mangoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again we have to count one less. हमको एक कम count करना है. We'll cut 1. How many left? 1, 2 and 3. So 3 images are there. Okay. Next is star. How many stars are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars are there. Again we have to count one less. So we'll count one less. One will cut. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. Last, your favorite ball. Let us count how many balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 13 balls are there. Again we will count one less. One we will cut. एक cut कर देंगे. How many left? Let us count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. From 13 ball we have less one. हमने एक cut कर दिया. How many left? 12. So like this we have learned one more. We have learned now one more than one more than the given images and one less than given images. In more than one we will add and in less than one we will minus or we will do subtraction. So children, you enjoyed the lesson? Yes. Okay, thank you very much.